What's up, fucker? Alright, this is weird. Green, 87 bucks. Mainly on Ray. I mean, pretty much all on Ray. Market's still shit. Bring back Joe. Alright. See some of the trades. Oh, before I go, watch some of the trades. I wanted to say, for myself, fuck, this is weird. I need to start giving my trades an extra second when I put myself in a good position, because I'm able to identify that a little bit more now, but then I still won't trust myself, especially on stocks that reward you for holding longer on good setups. Obviously right now it's kind of tough because the market's kind of shit and a lot of these stocks are just shit, and it rewards you more if you just take your profits rather than trying to hold, and because a lot of time it ends up going back red anyway. So, but just a note for the future, try to hold longer on the setups that you're in a good position and that you feel like you can trust. So let's see, start off on SNOA. Kind of fucking up and down like crazy.
Oh yeah.
Damn, this motherfucker locked in though. I kind of give myself a minute or two off market open. If I feel like I can't really, until basically I get a feel for what it's gonna be like today, what the conditions are. So, I'll take a few quick stabs here and there early on, but beside that, I'll try to take it easy, not over whoop off the open and go red like crazy or anything.
Yeah.
Just because in these current conditions, you kind of know it's gonna be shit, or you don't really. Like that right there. Hot start, and then it's just instantly down fucking, what's that, a 40-cent range? Oh shit. Instantly back down 40 cents, so.
Oh.
I'll go to my next, yeah, this next trade is just a random, another little stab, let's see. Okay.
Oh, I just got fucking.
I mean, that was fucking fortunate, just like a random stab. Well, a lot of the time I just need to be trading smarter. I'll take a stab places where it's just use your fucking brain, don't be. They're just coming down where it's just a lot of these, all three of these flushes all got soaked back up, so I was just taking a shot there. I don't hate it. Let's see. Start to see the bounce I get in. Cut because I don't like the feel of it. I don't have a problem with it. Especially on a stock that I can't really predict as well like that. Damn, I recorded for 2.5 hours. I'm not going through this whole thing.
Fuck. Oh my god, you're such a.
Maybe looking for a dip in a view up here if I were to guess, or right just anywhere right under 50. Doesn't count me, so I let it go. It's fine. Don't want to chase in these market conditions, especially because you don't, just so unsteady. Take a little stab there. It's totally unnecessary. That's fine. Buy volume came in. Good cut. Like on those ones, I'm fine cutting quick because I'm obviously in high and just looking for an instant reward there. Break over previous high, maybe a few extra cents.
Damn it.
Goofy looking motherfucker, man.
Giving goosebumps to all the Sunday summer trees. Our hands were tangled in the weeds, moving so softly nobody
Wash
can
up the
see.
coffee. Got to.
Against your morning skin, but look shy.
Let's see. Double bottom down here, 14. Don't hate it. Let's see. In a little late. Kind of have to cut quick because it's not. Didn't have to cut necessarily, even though I was in late. Still got to give that an extra couple seconds just to see. I mean, I didn't even really give it a chance to do anything there. Let's see again. Add a little late in high. It's holding there though. Could be holding. I see the buyers come in. I'd still be holding. Break to 25. Boom. Could be selling there, but bids come in. Sell there. Bids disappear.
Yeah.
So, MLG. Those trades right there where it's like, I'm not in at the exact spot where I want to, or in where I feel would be low enough, and I insta cut it because it's not instantly fucking up. Like, that just doesn't make sense on some of those.
Yeah, I bought this tip, but
I need to at least give it a second or two to see, get a feel for what it's gonna do.
yeah, DWTX.
Mentally I was thinking like take it slow with all this.
What'd you say?
Yeah,
Unsure
sure.
TX.
On all these unsure names, unsteady names, kind of take it easy. Don't just, if anything, just don't go red. It's okay to like miss a few, but I knew that at some point, like it has for the past week, some name comes along, whether it's like a one break, which was on Monday. It was a one break and the stock went to like 130 or something, and I was able to capitalize there. And then today it was another dollar something stock that, two of them actually. It was Ray and Tinon, I believe, in the dollar range that ended up going. So in my head I was just thinking take it easy on these because I know something good will arise, and I don't want to go too red and use too much mental capital early on a bunch of shit that I'm just gonna get mad at. So it's kind of in the back of my head as I was looking at some of these names and not necessarily taking full advantage of. Let's see this. Another Instacut. Back in, break to 30. Cut there. That's fine considering where I'm getting in on this. Like, this look isn't. Ooh. A little sketchy entry. In this market, I need to be a lot more conservative on the trades that I decide to take. Like just those high risk, low reward trades like this one, new candle. A lot of buyers come in. That one would have been fine to take. See, like there, no need to be fucking with it at that point, especially like there, I had no reason to buy there. Like, let's see. No. I'd like to see. Like it's okay.
I'm so fucking tired.
Get him another coffee.
Give him another coffee.
Let's
Go.
Need it.
Fuck with her in the way. Looking for it to get back over that shoulder. Ooh, this one I was actually a little bit proud of. I like one of these ones. It's moving like a mid cap, very grindy. Just once it chooses a direction, it kind of keeps going. One of these ones where I had my thesis on it. Where I added, I could have just held it all the way up for the 50 break, I believe, but I kind of cut, re-added. Let's see when I get to it. Okay, it's over this 33. Looking for a dip into the 33 or around low 30s. And now I believe I was looking to. I like to hold this one a little longer, and I believe I did, but still. Let's see. There's my 33. Looking for any buyers to come in at all, really. Just to look for it to be holding. I'm comfortable taking the shares that I'd be taking on a dollar stock just because of how controlled this thing is, and if anything, I just take it for a few cents loss. Looking for any buyers now. Any sign of a bounce. Still okay with this level. Still waiting. This is fine. Super low volume, so I really gotta wait for confirmation. Boom. See some buyers. I'm in. Ask immediately jumps up. So we like to see low entry. 31, 32 entry. This feels. I get a little nervous at first, I remember. And then once this bid starts moving, that's when I'm like, alright. I think this thing actually. As long as it gets over this previous high, which I should have marked right here.
It's this high right.
Oh, I do check it right there, Bo. Now we're marking a little late, but it's fine. As long as it gets over 40, I think, alright, this thing could actually keep going. Let's see where I end up taking it. I'm up 5 cents profit right here. I see the seller sitting at 40, which is more than I've seen on this thing so far, so have a little bit of caution going into it.
Daniel Tosh is doing a interview with his wife on his show. He's talking about how the first time
I take it right there just because I'm like, you know what?
he shit himself.
I'm up 6.5 cents profit, whatever that was. I moved my webcam down here. Otherwise, I would have had it covering mine, but I moved it down here
On their first date,
to remind myself to keep it here so I can fill my orders and see my orders in the future, see my fills. But I ended up taking it there, which I'm okay with. I'm up 6.5 cents profit. This thing's low volume. It could come back down on me. Seller's sitting at 40. Kind of want to see it keep going, but as long as it gets over 40 here, I think I look to get in. Boom, there it is, back over 40. I don't know why we're. If I like that setup, I should just be staying on it probably in the future, especially because this is like the opposite of my bread and butter. Low volume, high price, big spreads. This is still low volume, but there's no spreads and it's moving very controlled in a way that I feel like I'm in the driver's seat, so I do come back over to it, which is good. Ooh, let's see where we get in. At this point, I'm like, alright, this thing's probably going for highs. I get in high, but it's just because I'm like, I like this. Like I've seen this look with mid caps, and once it generally starts moving in that direction towards highs after it comes down, like it's, I don't know how to describe it. This look, I like the look. So I'm in high, but I'm holding it. Feel good about it. Seller sitting at 90. Psychological level and high day at 50.
Yeah, I'm in it.
It's through. I add more there, which I'm fine with because, like I said, I feel confident this thing's gonna break. Feel like it might actually give a decent break here. There's 52 on the ask. I want to see it move here. I'm giving an extra second just because it is a 50 break high day and it's 50, so.
10 cents.
And I just end up cutting it there. Totally fine with that. It's not going anymore. I'm up. I'm not going to let it come back in my face, so that's fine. Happy with that. What did that take me to?
Good thing.
$13 on that name, which is on a name like that, moving like a mid cap. I'm not sure if that was mid cap or not. I can look at the daily and probably get a good idea. Whatever. Whether it was a mid cap or not, it was kind of moving like one, but I liked the look. I felt confident in it, and I gave it a stab, and it paid off. So
Sleep right now. Right in the chair.
I'm actually pretty happy with that one.
Like a grandpa.
Little lean back.
Yeah.
Today's the day to do it, dog. You ain't gonna miss much by the
Kind of got that E-Rob wonky eye going on here. One eye a little more closed than the other one. Not sure what's up with that. PSTV. Ooh, let's see that entry again. I wasn't watching the tape. This looks good on the 1 minute. Looking for the 69 break. Cut it there. Fine with that. Can look into re-add here for the 69 break if it holds up. Maybe dip in it like here, 65. It's holding. 63 is that previous high, but it doesn't look so good anymore. It's kind of a bigger dip than expected for a high day break.
Was up over 65.
But the thing is whippy as displayed, so. Tap 68 a couple times now, looking to see if it's going to break through that or just some good confirmation. Probably looking for it to be holding up here and close up here. Then buyers come in. Yeah, I like that ad. Got in low enough to where I think I took that break even. Yeah, it's just because it was sitting at 66 for a while. This candle look like it's gonna go green. Yeah, it's a good ad. And then just cut there. What was that? Oh, it was a decent winner because I got in. They got me in on the bid. Nice. Also got filled in between the spreads there too on the nice. Just one of those fortunate ones that, I mean, it could have been break even, but I got fortunate to take it for a win because I got in before it was that high a day because I saw that momentum in that breakthrough level they were previously holding. Going for the 69 break again. Quick cut because I'm in high. Hidden seller at 69. It was a lot of this today. Just hidden sellers and holding down random fucking numbers. Super irritating, but I didn't take too many big losers at least. I got chopped up a little bit, took a 1 cent loser, half cent loser, 1 cent loser on it when they were holding down numbers, and I was trying to go through it. Trying to buy for the break of that, holding it down. It's just, obviously it's hard to read the break when there's not a visual, when there's not an actual seller that you can see sitting there that breaks down. It's a little bit more of a guessing game where you just kind of get in with the buyers that come in, and that whoosh, and if it doesn't break, then you can cut for a break even or 1 cent loser or whatever, and then gives you an opportunity to get back in, so that when it does break, and if it does give you a few cents, you make those couple losers back and then some. So I'm fine trying the same hidden seller multiple times, as long as I'm not just like getting fucking eaten alive doing it. If that's happening where it's like high risk and then I take like multiple cent losers on it, or if it's a $1 stock, multiple cent losers, or if it's a higher price, just enough to where it's like, fuck, I shouldn't be taking these losers, then I'll wait till it breaks. I should be waiting till it breaks over that level. Back on XNet, I don't believe I take another trade on it. No, I didn't. PSTV, I'm looking at it.
Like 6 months.
I wish I could see how long I've been
DWTA.
recording. I'm skipping through this a little bit. I don't want to make this video forever or like too long to upload. Let's see PSTV again. Let's look back at this one. 64, 63. Buyers come in. Yeah, that's fine. Generally, that wouldn't be enough to hop, like, not at a level. Just see buyers coming in the turn. Oh, let's go. Like I would say, I'm not the biggest fan of that trade. It's not the most secure, but with how this shit's moving today, I mean, these dollar stocks moving today, that's basically just how it was. And the risk was low enough to where you could get out with break even or a 1 cent loss at most of the time, with just being able to get in as it breaks over the next number, and then if it doesn't go right away, you can cut. So you're able to keep the losses small. So there it is. I'm already basically break even up 0.5 cent. Doesn't go, and I just cut. And if I'm lucky, I can get fill in the asker between the spreads. Most of the time, I'm just getting filled on the bids, so that was probably just a 0.5 cent winner, which is fine. Back in momentum comes. Now breaking 270, I cut. Happy with that one as well. 69 dip. 69. Waiting for a little bit of confirmation. Yeah, could have gone a little earlier there, so I didn't take a loser on it. I think that was. Oh my. $70.5 on the. It double tapped me. It was a 1 cent loser, but I must have accidentally double tapped somehow. I got filled 500 shares instead of 250. Let's see. DWTX today. Shit the bed on it, kinda. It wasn't like the easiest, but I definitely could have done a lot better. I think, I ended up red on it. It was just timing this thing right, because you had to make sure, obviously, that you had some buyers come in or feel like trade was going to go in your favor, but at the same time, those spreads would open up quick. If you're a quarter second late, then you're getting filled. 10 seconds higher than you want to be in, and then if you're wrong on it going, it comes back a couple cents. You're down 15 cents, 20 cents real quick. Most time 10 to 15. Ooh, caught that one though. Big. Let's look at that one back. Previous high 97. Looking for a breakthrough 10 and 10.08 high a day. I mean, that was pretty fucking easy to see. This candle's about to go green. Buyers come in, 97 breaks down. Right there, I'm in. Selling right away just because this thing was coming back down quick. Like that. Would have waited, I would have lost an extra 10 cents, so. Happy with that one. I'm up 10 bucks on it at one point. I think I ended up down 5 bucks. Yikes. Gotta stop rubbing my face. This motherfucker's cheesing for no reason. I don't know what's wrong with that guy.
Oh my freaking god. Give me a second.
Oh,
I have to freaking make
I was
this
looking at this
cameo.
guy's like cameo,
Excuse me, I have to. I've already
fake Josh
spent
Block cameo just
the
because I was
frick-
trying to look at Josh's, but it was unavailable. Ray, this is the one. I'm fucking slow, but yeah. This is the juicer of the day. At first, I wasn't sure that this one was gonna be the, you know, the one I was gonna make the most on today, just because this chart's like not the most sturdy looking, I guess. But just watching it closely, trying to understand how it's moving. Focus on the tape for a little bit. Look at what I want to see on the chart first, then just try to see if it matches up with the tape. Like, I definitely could have added here. Every other one of these dipped right below VWAP, soaked up, right below VWAP, soaked up, and it's just really, I mean, last 10 minutes it's been following it. 3 green candles. I don't know, I just wasn't so sure about the name. Like right here, flush down. Ah, I'm not mad about missing that one at all.
On that
Rob's gonna be on cameo pretty soon.
reason.
He's gonna need that money.
Shit, DWTX.
Ooh, we're clicking off DWTX for no reason. Let's go, baby. Missing that break. Breakthrough 50. 20s. Oof. Oh, see, that's what I'm talking about. I'm waiting for this. I'm trying to wait for the spreads to tighten up. It's sitting at 30. I see, but oh, by the time I decide to get in, the fucking bid is up 20 cents. Getting filled way higher than I want. Back down 15. I'm taking it for a loss. I either have to be really locked in on these and like doing well, or I should just like avoid them in general if I can't get the timing right on them. I don't know. Especially if there's anything else to be trading, just because it's really not my forte.
Close the green, go break 50. Quit fucking around.
Yeah, I want to see this close green, new candle open up, break over this high, and then break through 50. I think was what I had in my head. Previous candle high is 38. I'm in. No buyers coming in. It's kind of sitting static. I don't like it. I kind of wanted to see it accelerate over that previous high and go at least tap 50. LFMT. I don't think, yeah, no, I didn't trade that.
Oh shit.
Oh, and because I'm wasting my time on it, I'm not locked in on not locked in on DWTX, so I missed the break. Let's go. Good shit. Oh, what's this high buy? Coming down close to 50, holding 55. Looking for a breakthrough 75. I sell when it doesn't. Not too bad. I would take that trade again probably. Then it ends up gone, but I didn't have confidence to hold it in a little high. 60s. Looking for the 11 break. It's got a little more volume right now. 85. I don't think this does it. I don't remember if it breaks 11 right now, if it pulls back first. I think it might break 11, go like 11.08, and then comes back. Let's see. Again. New candle. Buyers come in here. I should be buying. Yeah, that's fine. Looking for the break to 11. I catch it. Cut there. Probably out 11. Low 11s. Sold a little quick. Let's see if I would have held it if I was in this again. Breakthrough. I could have given it an extra second. No sellers really came in. Could have got at least like 10 cents out of it. Just a little scared of it just because of how quick that bid was dropping out on it. Didn't want to let that give up profit just because I'm getting greedy and trying to squeeze out a little more. Ray. I think I catch a... This is when I start trading it. Looking for a dip in a VWAP here. It's looking a little overdue for it. Comes down close to it. Holds a little higher than I thought, but I'm in. It's below those previous lows. Cut that one, that's fine.
Ray?
Now I'm looking for a break over high day. I shouldn't be checking my fills right there. Oh, I just wasn't sure if I got fucked or not still though. I can always look back later. Looking for that break over 74 and then 78 high day. There's 74. Ooh, scary berry. That one could have, a little bit slow on the reaction time, could have fucked me over. Could have gotten a lot higher if I wasn't. Oh, yeah, I got lucked out. That's why I insta-cut there before the high day break, just because I wasn't sure if I was in at fucking 78 or 71. It could have gone either way, so played a little safe, and it ended up working out anyway because it only broke by a penny, so
I can look. I
can always be
Yeah.
a little bit quicker on the reaction times.
We should have been in. Fucking.
What else we got? Ooh, a little quick scalp on SNOA. Dip back into 65, 64 after the, and a little high, but this candle's going green. As long as this gets over 69, which it does, I feel like I can squeeze out a few more pennies.
Should have been in. Fucking.
I do end up cutting it for I think like only
We
3
got-
cents, but once again, can always be in lower.
I'm gonna take this real quick.
Oh. I don't know what this guy's cheesing for. Might be full schizo or something. Boom. Oh. Little mini womp. Little mini womp. Looking for this break over the previous high and the break through the 75, this range high. I'm fine with this trade. I think I just cut it here for a 1 cent loss. Half cent loss, my bad. No harm, no foul there. Just low volume. DWTX.
Yeah, for sure.
What are we talking about here? Was it important?
You said you know. Oh shit, DWTX. That's a candle. Do you know when you're dreaming most of the time?
Yeah,
my
for sure.
dreams. My bad, not important. Up 37. I think I'm just looking for a bigger dip here just because, oh, and there it is. Looking for that ass to come down. It's just sitting up there high. I think I missed the entry just because I didn't want to get in high, which, yeah, I'm fine with that. I think I would have, I definitely would have done the same thing again. Now we can be looking for a break over previous high, and then I should have this marked right here, which I do right there. Looking for a break over 66, then 72. It's a decent look, actually.
Said like, yeah, just
Doesn't end up doing it. Oh, I do remember this. It does after I click off. Next candle after I left. Don't want to chase it up here. A little too high risk. Ooh, see? What you doing, chasing boy? Buying high. Looking for the break back through 11. I have to cut instantly just because it doesn't keep going and I'm in too high. Come on now. Try it again. Get fucked on. Ooh. No, no. No, no, no. Missed it, buddy. Yup, and high, that's what you get. Good quick cut, though. Could have been an extra fucking 8 cents I could have lost there. Recognize a mistake. Didn't compound them. I'm alright with that. Ooh, let's see. Is this one readable? I mean, not mad about missing this. I shit the bed on this one. Once again, not my forte. Not the most mad about it.
DW.
I need to be getting in a spot that I like and trying to let it work out. Now we're going for a fucking 12 break. God damn, I didn't realize I missed this much on it. Let's see. Thing with this one, trying to wait to see buyers, obviously, for confirmation, before I get in. But by the time those buyers come in, the ASCII's already up, and I miss my timing. I'm in high, so I don't know. I think for this one, I just need to try to. I should have tried to position myself for longer holds. Would be the ideal way. That I'm sure a lot of these other dudes made a lot of money or a little bit more money on it. I don't think anyone capitalized on this one like thousands today. Can check it right now, but that's not it's not the way of trading that I'm used to. So I'm okay with missing out on this kind of stuff as long as I'm not like fucking up really bad. See, like,
No.
just can't trust it, and you kind of have to want to make a decent amount of money. So I just miss all that, and I'm getting in late. I'm chasing.
No.
Oh God, don't want to watch that. Can't be chasing it, especially on a name like this.
Fuck.
Oh my! Took a winner there. Let's see. Was it the 13 brick? Take a little hypothetical trade here.
I should add. Why didn't I?
Yeah, to catch the real meat of these moves, you kind of gotta. Yeah, see? That timing's bad. No reason to get in yet. Right there when they. Boom. There. Yeah. That's hard. I'm not. I should have easy. Okay. Ray. Looking for the dip in a VWAP. I'm yapping too much. PSTV has a similar look as well. Boom. A lot of small, just little mistakes that I can be fixing, just like some trades here and there that I shouldn't be taking. Some trades that I should be getting in earlier on with quicker reaction time. Boom. Yeah, I thought I got back in there. Cut there.
Should have added DWTX.
That's fine. For Ray today, for a lot of the time it was going, and what was the other one? TNON, I think. Let me pull up Trader View. For Ray and I think it was PSTV was the one. For Ray and PSTV, you kind of had to hop in when it looked like it might bounce. In a way, you kind of just had to hop in when it looked like it might bounce, and if it goes, great, you're up a few cents. If it doesn't go right away and it keep bouncing and keep moving up, then you can just instantly cut. God, my explanation's fucking blow. But yeah, it was a little bit of a guessing and then just controlling what you can control on it. Starts going, you hop in. It looks like it's gonna start bouncing. I hopped in. It wouldn't immediately go. Just cut for either break even, 1 cent loss at most. If it goes, fantastic. Take a winning trade on it. That was kind of the story of a lot of these trades today. In simple terms, at least. Looking for a break over 61. Just cut it. That's fine. I can definitely up my win percentage, and I do need to up my win percentage. 47 is not terrible, but I just need to be taking a few less. Just avoiding some of the stupid trades that I'm taking. It's been a shit month so far. I literally doubled my P&L this month just from today. But like 44% win percentage on the strategy that I'm using just isn't gonna cut it for what I want to do. It's just really not ideal. Oh, this is skewed because of an overnight hold that I tried. That didn't work out, but that's why that's so high. I was tweaking for a sec. But yeah, 44, I just need to up my win percentage. One of the easiest ways to do that is just by avoiding some of these trades that I know I shouldn't be taking. And I just need to be a little more cognizant when I'm about to take it. And just be like, what's the risk reward on this? Is there enough confirmation to be getting in? Is this a good spot to be getting in? Is this worth it to be taking this trade? And a lot of the time, I'll know that the answer is no if I ask myself those questions, but I'll just be like, oh, and I'll just get in without thinking about it. So just a little more cognizant of that, taking a few less losers that way would be great. That's what I need to be doing. Okay, now we got some momentum. You can see the shift here.
Oh shit.
Speed starts to pick up on the tape.
Fuck.
Now we're in go mode. Should be ready to attack here. A little bit lower dip. Looking to see where it's gonna bounce. Just like, fuck, this thing's going, but I don't want to buy it at the high just with how quick this thing can come down with this type of speed. So I'm looking for the first decent dip here. Just wherever it looks like it's gonna hold. New candle opening. Looking for a dip at least into the 60s. 65. Be ideal. It's holding there, I should add it, and I do. Cut when it doesn't keep going. Could I give that one an extra half second? Sell there, break even 73. $79 high of day. Looking for the breakthrough 75 and 74 and 79. Bigger pullback to 61. Otherwise, looking for some continuation. How much time is left in this? Okay. Okay. Looking to see where it's going to hold. Buyers come in. I get in. Keeps going. I like the way this is looking. I'm stuck in. Think your swim's frozen. It pays off in my favor.
Got me out.
Now that is rare. Platform fucks up and it works out for me. Let's look back at this one. Holding 68. Holding 68. Buyers come in. Looks like it's going to bounce. I hop in. Holding it through this. Try to get out 78. I'm scared as fuck. I'm lowering my share size. Try to sell partials. Oh. Gets me out 80. Luckily, it held up there for a second too.
Oh, are you in late?
No, it was.
But that was good. In early, that was probably the best trade of the day. Dips below the previous low, holds it. Buyers come in, I buy there. I'm just doing a hypothetical again. Yeah, I mean, I'd be. If anything, obviously, I could have tried to hold that intentionally instead of accidentally for the 79 break, especially with how low I was in, which, if I'm thinking smart, that's what I should be doing, is when I have that much of a cushion, I could be holding it. But I thought it might stop there, come back 74, 75, give me another opportunity to hop in, and then go for the break. But I'm really happy with that trade.
It got me out 180. Thank God.
Dipped, held,
Were
buyers
you in
came
lane?
in,
No, it was.
went
I
right
got
away.
it, I won
Like,
them,
It's
so-
kind of a
Oh.
really easy trade to catch, kind of a free one, but
Jesus Christ.
still happy with the way I traded it. How much time do I got? 15 minutes till Jeopardy. Did I take any trades in here? Just break even through it? Okay. It's holding. Held near this previous high. See, like that's obviously not one where I should be trying to fucking hold it like crazy. But a lot of these, I'm not even giving the trade a chance to express, like to show itself. Cut there. See, like it's ding 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 ding.
DWTX might
Probably
be
can
trouble.
possibly double bottom, if not bigger pullback. If it does, nope, it just soaks right back up. Was that
No.
catchable? Let's see.
DWTX.
Let's watch this one. Under 70, it comes down.
DWTX might be
Hypothetical
trouble.
hop in there.
I can't make. I'm fucking breaking.
I'd probably sell there just because
For another sec.
it feels like it could come down a lot lower. Now, if this thing goes green,
DWTX
should be paying
and
attention
Ray
to
are
it.
the only ones I'm green on.
boom.
DWTX currently is the only one red. $2 though.
All right, now this thing looks like it might keep going. I should be locked in here. Back through 79 through 85.
Ray.
'Kay. 82, 85.
Gosh.
Ooh,
No,
see,
I'm
no,
getting
no, no,
the
no, no.
wrong
Chasing,
one.
chasing instead of being in the driver's seat. With all these
That
today, they dipped a lot lower than you would generally want them to. And then they would still end up coming right back. But this guy's, let's see what he's cheesing about. Boom. Cut quick, that's fine. I must not been stoked on the fill.
Ray's trying to curl again.
Dipping to 61. Did I watch it? Let's see. Was this catchable? Holding 62 there. Buyers come in, add 265. Oh, sellers pop up. Sell there for 1 cent probably. Gets through those sellers actually. There was an opportunity there. I probably felt like the risk was, I don't know. A lot of these trades I need to be focused for longer. That's my problem, is I expend a lot of focus into small bursts and then I'm just like checked out. So this looks like it's gonna go though. Did I catch any of this? Probably looking for back through 75. We'll dip 70. Boom. This level 2's all over the place. Oh shit, hold up. Ain't no way we're losing money on this move. Alright, we gotta lock in on this one for our last little bit here. Let's go back. Okay, 77's this high of this candle. It's holding pretty high here. Let's see what happens. In there. I sell, that's fine. Should be back in when it breaks back through 78. And then sell up there. Let's watch that one again. So we're in. It's not going through 78. We sell, that's fine. Looks like there might be a hidden seller there. Breaks through. Buyers come in, we could be adding. Now this is looking good for a high day. Hold it through and then sell up there. One more time. Boom. I think there's just gonna be a hidden seller at 78. Sell. Gets through with buyers. We're in. All that moment, all that volume came in too. You can see it on the tape. Boom. Holding down 78. Sell. Boom. Look at this. They're definitely going for high day. Sell up there. Should be. Alright. One more time. Yeah, and you can. I think you can hear Wyatt hop in for a quick one once he heard it was up here too. Just because, I mean, all this volume came in. It's up here at highs. It's worth the risk reward there. I give. Wait, how much did I lose on? What the fuck? What am I doing? Retard? At this point, this is revenge. Broke high a day. I'm mad about it. I'm like, let me make some on this dip. And I'm just trying to force it when it's not there. Get back fucking, oh my, get back 10 bucks on that bitch. Then I'm just, oh, we make, let's see this winning trade. Little 3 center. Decent. Ooh, 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 it hurts. It hurts. Let's see it again. We're in. Sell there. Oh, all that volume's coming in. Gotta hop back in or held it. If anything, I probably would have been hopping back in. Let's see, Holden. I add some buyers. 85, 86. Back in there.
I troll.
Out up there.
Why do I?
I think that's the bulk of
Fuck
it. Yeah, a lot of giving back for no good reason. Let's see this one. Ooh. Looking like a 75. Did I take any trades before this? Yeah, I did. Let's see it. Back through 70. New candle opened up. Holding it through 71 here. I like that. Slows down there. I'm probably cut. There it
Always
is.
down there.
Now looking for the 75 high daybreak. Let's see.
Oh,
Cut there. I'm in late at the high. It doesn't immediately go. I'm gonna have to cut, which I do. It's fine. Looking to see if it holds high here. Could have added there. It held 72. Would be selling there anyway. If anything, that would have been break even. Still need to be catching them though.
Bow. Bow.
I think it fucking. This is. Yeah, look at this. Boom, boom. It never printed over. Boom. How many times are we gonna top it? Octuplet top real quick, and then through all that I only gave back $2, which is more than fine. Ooh. I think this time I think it's gonna break it. Look at this, curl back. 375, I'm holding it. I feel like, alright, it's gotta break now. It's curled all the way back. It didn't curl it back for nothing. Trying to hold it. Trying to hold it. Still buyers coming into it. I sell it. It's been too long. I feel like it might knife down a few cents on me. There's some sellers. Continue to hold it. They're just holding it up here. It's sitting here. Sellers, they re-add some bids. They just instantly disappear though. It means nothing. I'm not going to be happy about that one. There's some bids. Do they hold them this time? Boom, they're coming in. Sell it.
Go on, motherfucker.
2 cents. All that. Oh, we'll catch this one though. 70 back through 70s. More bids come in. Looks like we're gonna break 78.
Ah, fuck.
Ooh, I'm in low here. Hold up. Back through set. Oh, I said fuck it. I like it. I don't know how much confirmation there was to get in. I'm holding this bitch. I want more.
Fuck.
Boom. Sell there when 80's not cracking. I think it fades after this. Break even. Oh. Alright, this is gonna be the last one. I gotta watch Jeopardy with Pops.
Plane.
Breakthrough 83. Just watch it. I'd be cutting there, break even. Did I not take a trade? No, I did, okay. Breakthrough 80 and 81. Boom. Good one.
I was not late on that entry. I got him before the fucking.
Oh yeah. Let's look at this one real quick before I end. They were holding down 80 forever. That was the sign to get in here. As soon as it was like, all right, they might actually break through 80. Just sitting here, sitting here, sitting here, sitting here. Finally crack it. I'm in. I get out there. Could have gotten a little earlier. We'll take that. I'm gonna go back and watch these after.
Oh wait.
I believe I showed 54 was what I showed on this recording. And then obviously overall in the day, I'll show it again. So I know as well. $87 on the day. So I'm gonna come back and watch the rest later, but off to Jeopardy. Spring Green.